we're asked to reduce this. And when we look at this, remember we're lining up the variables, the matching variables, so the A's and the B's. And in this case, since it's division, we're going to use our quotient rule. And the quotient rule says we subtract exponents. So in this case, it's going to be A, 3/4 minus 7/8, and then B, 2 minus 1/4. But of course, this is fractions. So what we've got to do right now is we have to actually do the fractions, right? So I'm going to just pull this 3/4 minus 7/8. So I need to make a common denominator of 2. So now I have 6/8 minus 7/8. So then this becomes negative 1/8. And then over here, 2 over 1 minus 1/4. So then this is 8 over 2. 8 over 4, I mean. Okay? Because then that's the same as 2, which gives me 7/4. So what does this actually become? This becomes A to the negative 1/8, B to the 7/4. But this, they'll always tell you, put it with all positive exponents. So we're going to rewrite a little bit. We'll leave that 7/4 up there in the numerator, and we'll put that A to the 1/8 in the denominator. So then this is our final answer. Obviously, you could use your calculator to do this if you wanted, but you do need to have the fractions when you end. So if you are using your calculator, make sure you are using the fraction button to then go back to the fraction. Okay, so the answer does have to have those fractional exponents, because remember, the fractional exponents tell us something. This is the 4th root of b to the 7th. That's what this tells us. So it's important that we actually see that fraction. I don't want a decimal up there. So if you are using your calculator because you're afraid of the fractions, and there's nothing to be afraid of, you have the skills, you can do it. Don't be afraid of it. Tackle those fractions. But if you want to check it, whatever, make sure, though, that you then know how to do the fractions on your calculator so you get that fractional answer back.